Stadium, Chennai. So Karnataka Bulldozers, they won the toss and have decided to bat first. And the first ball in there. Oh, he's taken it. Oh, what a start to the semi-final one. Ritesh Deshmukh, the first delivery, bowls a short one from him. It is Bhaskar who went for the hook shot. He did not connect it well, straight into the air, and very good catch taken by Ritesh Deshmukh himself. So first blow, this time from the Mumbai hero. The first blow. So second delivery from Ritesh Deshmukh, the first one, what a delivery from him. He has taken a big wicket of Bhaskar. He's gone for naught. Dhruv comes in to replace him. But this is what is required for semi-finals matches, Amol, isn't it? A knockout encounter here. Dhruv has done quite well. Did pretty well in the last game. 41 has been his best so far. But what a start, a dream start for Mumbai Heroes. Very wide, should be called a wide. Yes, it is. It's the first run on the board for the Bulldozers.
That's the first wicket which fell on the first delivery of this semi-finals. Well, never easy those catches, Sabha, but he latched onto it. Look at those expressions from Mumbai Heroes. They were relieved. And those are the first runs off the blade from Karnataka Bulldozers, but that big wicket of Bhaskar. We saw him in action last weekend against the Kerala Tuskers, and they really bulldozed. Bhaskar and Rajiv really put up a great show over there. But today, it's the Mumbai Heroes who have struck the first blow. Strangely, Sabha, I saw Ritesh Deshmukh warming up just before the game, and he must have bowled at least 5 overs, and I was wondering, and I was watching him, and I just had a mention to him that keep something for the match, and he was all geared up. That's the intensity what they're playing at, and they're really serious about it. We don't even see professional cricketers or professional bowlers who play proper cricket, bowl and warm up before the game so much.
Yeah, true. If you talk about me, I never bowled in my life, but still I would go out and perform so well as a bowler in the game, Amol. But yes, I mean, this is the kind of start Mumbai Heroes we're looking at, isn't it? In the last game, it was Rajiv and Bhaskar, that partnership that set the match up. They won with a convincing margin, and that's how they qualify for the semi-finals. But that's not the case today. This is the first semi-final. Bulldozers are up against Mumbai Heroes. He pulls, he connects pretty well. So the first boundary of this semi-final comes from the blade of Rajiv. So after one is 6 for 1.